The attorneys for the Kealohas say some evidence and witnesses were submitted too late by prosecutors and are asking the judge not to allow them in the trial. A legal expert says this could ultimately lead to another delay. Manolo Morales has more in tonight's top story. Manolo?
Joe, a legal expert, tells me it's happened before, and it's not just the timing of when the evidence and witnesses were submitted, but also the amount that can lead to the delay. The attorneys for former police chief Louis Kealoha and his wife Catherine, a former deputy prosecutor, have asked the judge to not allow several expert witnesses to testify along with some evidence because they were turned in late and would not allow the defense to adequately prepare. The motion says on the eve of trial, the government continues its improper gamesmanship by producing late discovery. Such tactics violate the defendant's constitutional rights to due process.
A lot of it involves expert witnesses, which can be very technical and very time-consuming to prepare, and that may require the defense to seek a counter-expert.
Attorney Victor Baquy is not involved in the case. He says federal prosecutors are allowed to present evidence and witnesses up to the time of the trial, and they do it all the time. But they have to give a good reason why and allow the defense to review them.
And that's where the government has to be very careful, because if they sit on it too long and a judge later rules that it was an unreasonable delay, then there can be severe consequences.
In extreme cases, some judges have dismissed the charges, but Baquy doesn't see that happening for this one. He adds that expert witnesses are usually arranged well ahead of time, and the defense will need extra time to counter the expert's testimony.
That is something that the defense has to spend a lot of time and effort and money to rebut or prepare for. So that's a kind of thing that could seriously delay a trial, or the court could just tell them, well, I'm not going to allow you to call this witness. You should have thought about this before.
Federal prosecutors have until May 15th to respond to the motion, and then the judge will schedule a hearing to make a decision. Joe.
Thank you, Manolo.